Want your new HVAC employee to grow into a rock star at the company? Alright, so first off, you gotta set clear expectations from day one about keeping the worksite clean. It's super important because a messy site isn't just ugly. It's a safety hazard and looks unprofessional to clients. Show them how to clean as they go, not just at the end of the day, so it becomes second nature. Make cleanup part of the daily routine, like setting alarms or reminders for regular intervals to tidy up. When you see mess, don't let it slide. Correct it right away, but do it in a chill way, explaining why it matters for safety and the company's rep. Lead by example, because if you're always on top of site cleanliness, they'll follow your lead without even thinking. Also, encourage them to ask questions or suggest better ways to keep things organized. It helps them feel involved and responsible. Lastly, reward good habits when you spot them cleaning up well. It goes a long way in building pride and ownership. One of the biggest mistakes new HVAC employees make is ignoring site cleanliness because they don't realize how much it affects job safety and company reputation. Fix that by explaining the real dangers of cluttered tools and debris causing accidents. Another common problem is leaving cleanup until the end of a long day, which leads to burnout or missed spots. Set multiple cleanup breaks throughout the day instead. The third issue is not modeling good habits. If the boss or veteran techs don't keep things tidy, newbies won't either. So make sure leadership walks the talk and keeps the site clean all the time. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who get the job done right, making home projects way less stressful. It also helps contractors find steady work by matching them with people needing reliable service nearby.